Okay, now I already have my face moisturized. Now I'm just gonna start with my brows, and I'm gonna take this NYX Professional Eyebrow Brow Pencil and fill my brows. Do you guys ever have a good brow and a bad brow? Yeah, that's me too. This is my good brow, this is my bad brow. Now I'm going to take this NYX Brow Professional Lift and Snatch Brow, and I'm just going to go and refill my brows with this. And now I'm going to go in with this NYX, that brow glue. Okay, brows are done. Now I'm just going to start with my eyes. And I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer and just put my eyes. And now I'm just going to go set my eyes with this CoverGirl Clean Invisible Loose Powder. And now I'm just going to go in with this Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this taupe shade right here and just put that in my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to take this Mauve shade right here and just deepen the outer corner. And just keep deepening the outer corner. Just taking a clean brush and just blending the edges. Now I'm going to take this cream shade and put that on my inner lid. So since the eyes are somewhat done, it's the eyelids, I'm going to go in with this NYX CC Natural Matte. And with that same concealer, I'm just going to do is just here, here, here. And you always want to pat your concealer and not swipe to get the best coverage. And now I'm just going to go in with the same powder and just set them. Remember, you want to pat, not swipe. And I'm just gonna powder the rest of my face, because if not, I am just a disco ball. I'm greasy, I'm oily, and just not cute. Fluffier brush. I'm just going to go in and just do my entire face. And I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. bronzer. And then I'm going to go in with this Tarte blush and just do. And back in with that Morphe palette. I'm going to go in with this champagne color here. Just add some highlight. Now I'm just going to go and curl my lashes. See what difference that makes. And then with this CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Brow Proof in black. And now for the lips, I'm going to go in with this NYX lip pencil. And then last but not least is this Ulta Beauty lipstick.